In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another site on Wix. To get started, open the Wix editor for the website that already contains the page you want to copy. This is the source site, or in other words, the site where the original page currently lives. Make sure you are in the editor and not just preview mode because the options we need are found inside the editing panel. Once you are inside the editor, go over to the left-hand side and click Menus and Pages. This opens the Pages panel where you can see all the pages currently included on that website. Take a moment to find the exact page you want to move over to another Wix site. It's a good idea to double-check the page name here so you don't accidentally copy the wrong one. When you've found the page, click the More Actions icon next to it, which appears as 3 dots. From the menu that opens, choose Copy. This tells Wix to copy that page so it can be pasted into a different site. At this point, the page is ready to be transferred. Next, open the Wix editor for the destination website in a separate tab or window. Keeping both sites open at the same time makes the process much easier, since you can quickly switch between the original site and the target site without losing your place. Now, in the target site's editor, click Menus and Pages again so you can access that site's page list. Then right-click anywhere in the site menu or page list. You'll see paste options appear. And this is where you choose how you want the copied page to be added. If you select paste, the page will be inserted while keeping its original design and color theme. This is useful if you want the page to look as close as possible to the original version. If you choose paste and apply site theme, Wix will still insert the page, but it will automatically adjust the colors and fonts so they better match the design style of the destination site. This option is especially helpful if you want the copied page to blend in more naturally with the rest of the new website. After the page is pasted, Wix will automatically name it copy of followed by the original page name. If you want, you can easily rename it directly from the Pages panel so it fits your site structure more clearly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.